keypad. Fix it. This is version 2 at the moment. Really version 1, but version 1 was just getting the keys and decoding it. And now version 2, you have states, you can set new passcode, all that. And then ultimate case 4 is when you're in the system. Sorry, state 4. State 5 is when the alarm is ringing. Everything else is pretty much complete. There can be into some improvements, but that's about it. So I just re-upload it. Test. Testing it with Arduino at the moment. Yeah. So it says press A, set password. I'll do anything but A. And it won't change. Now I'll go to A. Yay. Default is 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever you set in here. This is off position. So position 1, position 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then it does get decoded into the actual value. That's printed on the keypad. So I'll set a new one for now. Set a new passcode, just 1111. I can try again. 6698. Cancel. If you cancel, you go back to this state. You accept default. D to accept will put you into next state. Enter the passcode. It was 6698. So I'll just do a random one that will work. And there's some attempts. Last attempt, it will trigger the alarm. Again, not complete. Password. I'll accept default this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Welcome. Again, not complete. That's it.